Just a short 10-minute drive from Rio Center, you'll explore Rio Rainforest on our Rio Rainforest half-day Jeep tour. Located in a mountainous section of the city, Rio is one of the world's largest urban rainforests. You'll tour by Jeep, following rugged trails under the tropical canopy, home to monkeys, birds, even sloths. Then on foot, continue your exploration on a guided tour through the jungle. For the adventurer in all of us, this eco tour gives you the chance to see tropical Rio from a vantage point few have ever seen.